Turning raw expertise into a structured curriculum creates a production bottleneck that stalls educators and corporate teams. Instructional designers charge $5,000 to build a single online course module. Corporate trainers spend months manually converting dense compliance manuals into functional employee training programs. These hard costs and formatting delays force creators and educators into a slow, unresponsive production cycle. NotebookLM bypasses the weeks of storyboarding and manual review entirely. You extract the expertise locked inside unstructured server logs, dense archives, or 400-page operational manuals. This system compresses the timeline from weeks of manual labor down to less than 30 minutes, converting raw data directly into lesson scripts and interactive quizzes. The system identifies core learning objectives and structures the curriculum with zero human intervention at the initial formatting stage. This speed is useless if the facts are wrong, a logic flaw in standard models that can quietly corrupt hours of progress. Standard artificial intelligence models are built for general-purpose chatting. When generating long-form educational content, they suffer from context window drift, losing track of the original source material. This causes the models to invent facts and slide into generic, unverified knowledge. Without a strict structural constraint holding the model to the facts, automated formatting becomes an operational risk. LearnLM addresses this through a targeted architectural shift, fine-tuned specifically for learning science. During testing, the system refused to generate answers or lesson plans based on anything outside the uploaded documentation. Every response is backed by a verifiable citation, forcing the AI to link directly to a specific paragraph in your original uploaded text. By forcing the model to cite the original text for every claim, LearnLM establishes a verifiable barrier against hallucination in automated education. The architecture is verified, but one corporate trainer applied these exact rules to a high-stakes manual and triggered a result that management didn't think was possible. A corporate trainer applied this standard to a dense 200-page Occupational Safety and Health Administration manual. The trainer uploaded this difficult text directly into the restricted NotebookLM environment. New hire training time dropped from 2 weeks to just 3 days. Employees no longer waste hours clicking through a traditional static slide deck. Instead, they query the system for specific chemical spill protocols and receive a verified answer drawn exclusively from page 142. This model scales beyond compliance, offering independent creators, researchers, and students a way to parse their own complex data. The workflow shifts from storing static documents to querying a searchable knowledge base that responds with specific evidence. NotebookLM removes the barrier between unstructured data and verified interactive learning environments. That verification layer is only the beginning. The real power appears when you scale across an entire curriculum, and that is where most course builders hit a wall they never saw coming. Building a single hour of new curriculum costs you roughly 20 hours of formatting, editing, and manual design. The fundamental problem is always the raw materials. You parse scattered client contracts, dense academic papers, and disorganized YouTube transcripts before a single lesson is ever written. Organizing these vastly different formats creates heavy friction. You spend your time normalizing text and wrestling with layouts instead of structuring the core knowledge. Modern educational design is currently a formatting prison, not a knowledge problem. Deep Research AI bypasses this delay entirely. It saves you hundreds of hours by autonomously generating multimodal curriculum directly from your raw data. Students can upload hundreds of pages of raw lecture notes and instantly convert them into structured study guides. Freelancers dump scattered client contracts and brand guidelines into the system to output automated onboarding hubs, answering repetitive questions on demand. Researchers feed the engine dense clinical trials and package the findings into a 5-minute interactive audio debate and assessment quiz. This diagram shows a central AI hub distributing data to students, freelancers, and researchers. By neutralizing the friction of raw formatting, the system removes the manual labor traditionally required to manage any data-heavy project. To get a fully structured course, you must supply the raw data. You create a notebook in the platform and upload your source files. The engine processes your images using optical character recognition to extract text, and it parses transcripts directly from any YouTube URLs you provide. This flowchart demonstrates how the deep research function scans your freshly ingested material. The laser identifies logical leaps in the uploaded files. It proactively suggests filler lessons to bridge these flagged gaps, repairing broken logic before you structure the course. The AI acts as a preemptive structural editor, catching and eliminating foundational errors that a human designer would likely miss. Once the foundation is set, the Studio panel handles concurrent generation. While your text-based modules build in the background, the system simultaneously outputs audio overviews, mind maps, and detailed infographics. Consider a corporate strategist with weeks of scattered meeting transcripts. The immediate problem is staring at a blank presentation screen for a major client pitch. By running the AI export, the result is a functional PowerPoint file. It provides an initial visual structure, formatted bullet points, and auto-generated speaker notes ready for immediate manual editing. There is a hidden feature inside the Audio Overviews panel. Engaging the interactive mode lets users consume the material by listening to AI hosts discuss the topic in real time. This diagram displays the interruption mechanic. By tapping a single icon, a user interrupts the AI host mid-sentence to demand clarification on a complex data point. The host pauses, addresses the specific query, and smoothly transitions back into the primary lesson plan. This specific feature destroys the traditional passive learning model. Static documents are converted into highly responsive, real-time conversations. Accessing these features is locked behind a paid pricing model. There are 3 rigid limitations. The interactive mode remains strictly English only, demands a constantly stable internet connection, and 0 offline mode is available. The beginner mistake is uploading sensitive institutional data to generate fast study guides and onboarding hubs without reading the fine print. This animated diagram highlights a confirmed legal trap embedded directly within the terms of service. Violating this specific data clause triggers instant account deletion without any prior warning or chance to recover your work. The extreme speed of frictionless automation comes with extreme fragility. One unseen misstep permanently erases hundreds of generated assets in a fraction of a second. Evidence shows these production mechanics scaling into professional services. Freelancers are currently using the entire workflow to transform scattered client contracts and brand guidelines into permanent AI-powered onboarding hubs. However, this raises a speculative concern. Relying on an AI for instant clarification may actually degrade a student's critical thinking and long-form reading comprehension skills over time.
Terms of service is far more dangerous than the pricing model, and it has already deleted accounts without any warning whatsoever.
Your entire AI curriculum, all those hours of hard work, can just vanish without warning the exact second you hit upload. Many users attempt to build their courses by acquiring a digital textbook online and uploading the entire file as their primary source. Google uses internal content matching algorithms that scan every uploaded file against known copyrighted databases. When the system identifies protected text, the result is an immediate account flag and the removal of the full notebook. You must own the intellectual property you process. Without that ownership, your materials are legally unusable and subject to deletion. Beyond legal risks, a technical boundary restricts large-scale curriculums. Notebooks operate in isolated data silos. If a student asks a final exam question requiring data from week 1 and 10 simultaneously, the AI fails, trapped in a single silo. Module 1 cannot communicate with Module 2. The workaround? Export each module as a PDF. Combine them into one master document outside the system, and re-upload into a new global notebook. This manual consolidation is currently the only reliable way to bypass notebook isolation. The free tier supports 100 notebooks with 50 sources each, but caps usage at 50 daily chat queries. The Pro tier at $19.99 a month expands these limits to 300 sources and 500 daily chats. Creating cinematic animated video overviews requires the Ultra tier at $99 a month. Academic institutions bypass these software costs. Education Plus subscribers receive expanded limits at no extra cost, allowing school districts to deploy the tool without standard IT procurement delays. Internal updates for the LearnLM architecture are confirmed to be adding more output formats. We speculate that pricing may drop as competition with Microsoft Copilot intensifies. Scaling a curriculum requires either paying monthly premiums or leveraging institutional tools to clear cost barriers. But even with unlimited access, there is a brutal truth about automated course creation that no subscription tier can fix. Regardless of the subscription tier you pay for, the output remains limited by the quality of your foundational text. A course built in 30 minutes from weak, unstructured sources will result in a weak course. Subject matter expertise and precise prompting are still required to produce high-quality instructional materials. High-speed automation preserves the errors and gaps found. Getting an entire course in minutes matter more to you, or the risk of your content being deleted for copyright violations? If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to the AI Explainer for daily AI updates, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.